Hey guys, welcome back to another Aleroart progress video. I'm Aleroart and we're working on Power Punch Bootcamp 2. Creator written by Ellie Elginton, and I'm illustrating, coloring, and lettering the book. This is our third book together, and it's just exciting to be creating an all-age adventure and for you guys to be able to see the progress that goes on it as awesome patrons. Again, making comics is fun, but you definitely, creating pages, you have to think about like perspective, and is it telling the story from the awesome writer's perspective as the artist putting it together. So definitely you want to have that awesome relationship where you guys can go back and forth, which me and Ellie do, so it's really great. It's like brother and sister duel. So yeah, just wanted to share this page that is being created right now, and as you can see, I'm using a hyperlapse video in creating the pages just to show the speed process. When I draw, I'm always like rethinking certain things of what I would like to execute in a panel. As you can see right here, they're more of like interacting, so this is pretty fun. More questions are always asked, like how I go about creating a page and what's the thought process, and as you can see, I pretty much had everything jotted out with little sketches and squares and circles. So this is pretty much fun, and showing that as the adventure goes along, as we put this book together, we look forward to you guys being part of this. So just want to say thank you all for guys checking this out. The month has been crazy with creating a lot of content and looking forward to creating more. I'm Aleroart, and I like to post more, and with you guys help, you guys are doing an awesome job by supporting that. So take care now. Peace.